If you're getting into data analysis or data science, there's one crucial concept you need to understand: data wrangling. It may not be the most glamorous part of the process, but it's absolutely essential for ensuring your analysis is based on reliable and high-quality data. Welcome back to the channel. So, what exactly is data wrangling? Simply put, it's the process of converting raw, messy data into a clean, structured format that's ready for analysis. When data first gets collected, whether it's website clicks, sensor readings, or survey responses, it's usually quite unorganized. You'll likely find duplicate entries, missing values, inconsistent formatting, spelling errors, and so much more. Data in this messy state can make extracting accurate insights difficult. That's where data wrangling comes in to save the day. The typical data wrangling workflow has 4 key steps. 1. Discovery. Locate your data sources and examine their current shape to plan how you'll clean them up. 2. Transformation. This is the heavy lifting phase of structuring formats, removing errors and outliers, combining datasets as needed, and enriching with metadata. 3. Validation. Use automated tests to confirm your wrangled data is consistent, complete, and high quality. 4. Publishing. Save your clean dataset in a file format optimized for analysis. By methodically going through this process, you'll transform a jumbled mess of raw information into an organized, trustworthy dataset free of major flaws. Only once your data has gone through this essential munging, you can move forward and analyze it with confidence, secure in the knowledge that the insights you're discovering are reliable and actionable. Whether you're pursuing data analysis as a career or just need to massage datasets at your job, mastering data wrangling is critical for successful projects. Let us know if you have any other questions around this fundamental concept by dropping a comment below. And for tips on building these must-have skills, check out the recommended courses I've linked in the description.